594 Morrison Road is a 4-bed, 4-bath waterfront home on Lake Martin, Alabama. It sits on a flat lot surrounded by mature trees and accented with beautiful landscaping. It feels like a cabin in the woods. A gravel drive eases up to the main house, and there's a bonus room in the building to the right. One of the A-frame wings has a generous living room and the home's kitchen. Relax in the outdoor keeping room located between the wings. Or entertain on the dock. Its fireplace, fans, and TV assure you can host your friends and family in any season. The home is located in the popular Little KOWALIGA or Real Island area near Real Island Marina. You can enjoy waterfront restaurants like the Landing at Parker Creek and KOWALIGA. Or just stay at home and relax at 594 Morrison Road.